Internet of Things (IoT) provides the foundation for smart devices, smart homes, smart buildings, next-generation vehicles, smart manufacturing, and public infrastructure. In other words, IoT technologies have become a transformative force in the business world. They offer a wide range of opportunities for innovation, efficiency, and customer-centric strategies. Businesses can use IoT technologies to increase efficiency with automation, gain visibility into their supply chains, get insights from their data, and offer smart connected experiences for their customers. AWS offers Internet of Things services and solutions to connect and manage billions of devices. You can collect, store, and analyze IoT data for industrial, consumer, commercial, and automotive workloads. AWS offers the following IoT services as of today: AWS IoT Analytics, AWS IoT Button, AWS IoT Core, AWS IoT Device Defender, AWS IoT Device Management, AWS IoT Events, AWS IoT Express Link, AWS IoT Fleetwise, AWS IoT Greengrass, AWS IoT Sitewise, AWS IoT TwineMaker, AWS Partner Device Catalog, and free RTOS. All these IoT services are purpose-built. However, the foundational services help you design and simplify complex IoT tasks. These services provide device-to-cloud connectivity, secure data ingestion, data processing, analytics, and the ability to run machine learning inferences on the edge. In addition, AWS offers IoT services that are designed for particular industries or use cases, including smart manufacturing, connected vehicles, and public infrastructure. As a beginner of AWS Cloud Engineer or for AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner exam, you need to know the following AWS IoT services. AWS IoT Core. AWS IoT Core is a managed cloud service that lets connected devices easily and securely interact with cloud applications and other devices. AWS IoT Core can support billions of devices and trillions of messages and can process and route those messages to AWS endpoints and to other devices reliably and securely. With AWS IoT Core, your applications can keep track of and communicate with all your devices all the time, even when they aren't connected. AWS IoT Greengrass. AWS IoT Greengrass seamlessly extends AWS to devices so they can act locally on the data they generate while still using the cloud for management, analytics, and durable storage. With AWS IoT Greengrass, connected devices can run AWS Lambda functions, run predictions based on machine learning models, keep device data in sync, and communicate with other devices securely even when not connected to the internet.